What's going on here at the Straub Technologies on a Monday? I see some big block rectangles. Big block rectangles. What are we doing in here with it? Cutting her up. That exhaust port, I can stick my hand in it. Yes, sir. VEPR, Mayhem, Rottler CNC, Straub Technologies. Dial the number and get you some of the most current stuff out there. Looks like 5 axis to me. They're all earning their keep right now. Big block Chevrolet. Take 2. Got enough memory card and enough battery to get through. We got here some heads with some nitrous work. See what you're looking at here, right? Big block, Mayhem, rectangle, CNC, Rottler machine, tweaked out. How's that look? Look pretty good down there. Alright, how about on this side? Look pretty good over here. Alright, how many we working on? Okay, there's one more. There's a couple more. Don't you want some of our in-house heads? Plenty of them. Let's look at the exhaust before we shut this off.